What's up, guys? Welcome to the Hump Day Hangout. My name is Cruz. I am the founder and head trader of NewAgeWallStreet.com. We are primarily options trading community. We have you can follow us on Twitter at New Age Wall Street, just ST for Street. We are also on Instagram, Facebook, all that. If you guys want to check out some of our trades and things like that, NewAgeWallStreet.com. Welcome, guys. I'm hoping a few more people will come in and join us. I know that this whole Wednesday streaming during Power Hour is still relatively new, so hopefully we could get some more people to come and join us. How does the audio sound for you guys out there? Like, I hope it sounds good, because I was watching back a few of my live streams and stuff like that, and I was realizing that it was a little bit blown out, like a little bit too loud. Like, I felt like I was deep throating the fucking mic, dude. Fucking horrible. So, anyways, welcome, guys. Subscribe. So if you could, guys, leave me a like and a subscribe. on the video so other people are able to go and see it. The YouTube algorithm will pick it up and show it to other people on this. So let's go over some trades here, guys. Let me go ahead and show my screen and everything. Do we have any housekeeping for things here? Oh, one thing I do want to show you guys is that I did pretty much almost finish the New Age Wall Street, at least the front page of the New Age Wall Street website. So if you guys want to come in here, I'll go ahead and show you right here. This is the New Age Wall Street website. If you come in and you type in here, you will get me personally if you want to talk to me, ask me questions or what have you, any type of customer support, just regular trading questions, what have you. You could always get a hold of me or my team right here. But this is pretty much it. You'll have this. So there's my amazingly handsome face, and you have like our features of our chat room and things right here, going through, and then all this, and then our memberships. The memberships did change price here, guys. If you talked to me before about the pricing, then shoot me a DM. We'll see what we could do as far as the pricing, what have you. But it is changed since we are providing a lot of value. I think it's right on point, and we made it really affordable. So for like the annual plan, we've made it to where it's $6.99 a year, and then or if you want to do $195 a month. For 4 months, you could go ahead and do it like that. So almost like paying your car insurance, where like you pay for the whole, like you have insurance for the whole year, but you only pay 4 months. Same thing with the lifetime. This is an awesome deal right here. $1,000 for lifetime, or 4 payments of $275, and then the one-on-one internship. I haven't got the testimonial area all the way done yet. I got kind of screwed over on some content, so we will fix that. This is kind of off center. I need to fix that. And then some contact us. This will come directly to my inbox, and then everything in here. And then if you come up, you could see right here, you'll have a link to come to the Trade Factory website, which I am still working on. And then also you have an access to our shop part of our website, where we have the logos, the New Age Wall Street logos right here. We will also have merch for like the Trade Factory and stuff in here, guys. And we have some other stuff coming. I have mouse pads and coffee cups too. So those are coming for the winter fall time. But just wanted to show you guys that here real quick on there. And that's pretty much as far as our housekeeping, like what we have going on. We could go over a couple trades. Thank you, Riley. Thank you, bro. If you guys have tickers or any questions on like things that you're trading, kind of the whole point of the live on Wednesdays is for us to be able to like go over our trades for the first half of the week. There's no reason why you should be ending the week on a red note. If you're having a red if you're having a red week, say Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, what have you, you're not doing too good. You need to find some time on a Wednesday to be able to pivot and kind of see what's working, what's not working for you in the current sentiment market conditions, and pivot on Wednesday for the tail end of the week to either finish out green, or at least do some risk management on your account or what have you, right? That looks like the SPY wants to ramp right here. We got this compression. This cross needs to get over this 451. We've been talking about this 451 key area here in the room for the last 2-3 days. So that's where is key right now for us. Above is very bullish, below bearish on this 451 or 45 100 on the SPX ES. Any hats? Yes, dude. I will be having hats. So I like these hats like this, the snapbacks. I will not. If there's enough interest to do, what are they called? Dude, fitted, right? Yeah. So if there's enough interest to do fitteds, I will do them. But I really like the snapbacks. The thing is at first, the fit of the hat, like I'm really particular in it, dude. And I really like the Richardson hats, or the Yulong or something like that hats. So we found a company that does have them, and that we'll be able to embroider them, and then we'll also have like leather patch ones too. So, but those are going to be pretty expensive. I'm not going to lie. They'll be like $50-$60 probably. So, but it's a awesome, nice hat. So, cool. So yes, hats for the fall will be coming out too. We're ordering a press to do our own printing and everything, so that should be coming up pretty soon. Yeah, cool. We'll have a bunch of stuff, dude. I want to do like big mouse pads and like even just trading art. So we'll get a bunch of stuff up on the site with our logos and even stuff that it doesn't have it. We want to make "Why do you hate money?" Shirt. That's our current saying in the chat room. So, but let's go over a couple. Missed out on the sale, dude. Send me a DM, bro, if you're really serious about joining, dude. Send me a DM. Um, GSAT right here. This was one that one of my guys has been playing over the last couple days. He likes playing like a lot of these smaller cap type names, and his whole setup, the way he likes to play things is a spike up and then come down into like a compression or like a retest of support, and then another leg up. So he got in towards this 186, and then we got this ramp up here. Pretty nice volume in this GSAT today, and we're working in. If we could close at highs today, we're looking at a pretty nice run for tomorrow. So we're up here in this upward resistance area. So anything over this $3 will definitely be pretty crazy. So all right. Now with that being said, um, there was two good trades on this GSAT here today. So you guys can see my screen, right? So on this 3 minute chart, we call this this compression right here. We came up to this line, this R2 line, and then we were just kind of waving sideways like a little bit of a flag, and then just accumulating off the VWAP in the pivot right here. And you could see it trigger, and then it just make this really nice move here from like 230 to 260. So someone had said it was like 10% or something like that on that call, and of course like then reaccumulate using the pivot, or excuse me, the VWAP as a liquidity zone. Down here, got walked down and then pushing up. And like I said, need to get over that $3 for it to go wild, maybe tomorrow. So this is something that we played. I kind of committed. When was it? Like in the around the springtime. I felt a disconnect with my members where I was trading like a lot of expensive tickers like Amazon, um, Tesla, stuff like that was really super expensive, premium. And so I made a commitment that I would trade a lot, smaller stocks with my members, things that they could afford and stuff. And I've held pretty true with that. So I also still have a position here on BBIG. This is one that I want to talk about here today. As yesterday, and I see people like griping and fighting over like a lot of the fundamental stuff as far as things going on. So I may need to go in and do a little bit of research. But as far as right now, this BBIG, the way that I'm seeing it is that any type of dip that this gets is getting bought up here pretty aggressively. So if we do like this hourly chart right here, you can see where we had this nice run up, and then it got just bid prop down here, all through here, and then just kind of flagged and went sideways, like a lack of volatility. And then right here, you could see where we had this compression, this cross, and we got the nice squeeze into the end of the day yesterday, and the move in after hours and pre-market. Now, today, we're kind of doing the same thing that we did in this kind of area right here, where we're just kind of going sideways and we need to accumulate a little bit more in order for us to make the next leg up. So looking towards like obviously 13 to $13 first and then 15. We did a little bit of a tape reading lesson this morning on this, and so it's definitely manipulated. You could see where they are accumulating, and they are trying to scare people in here whenever you get like this blow off, right? My average is down here like at 1040, 1050 ish area. So as long as it holds this 11, I'm pretty good with this. I may take a little bit of profit, so I'm not risking too much overnight, but I do want that move here that I'm still holding on this BBIG. Okay. Right at the open, we talked about Tesla as well too. So Tesla, this was a nice dip and rip type opportunity right here. So we had this nice move yesterday, and then just kind of accumulation and just sideways action digesting the move and holding 750 as the new support for this move. And right here at the open, since we've seen the strength here in pre-market, this gap up, I wanted a little bit of a dip down and then a quick push up. And that's pretty much what I got right here at the open. Quick 5 contract trade. And I messed up because I got like the wrong strike, but nevertheless, I still got filled. I don't know how the heck I got filled, but I do market order into these types of things, so that's why. And then, so I got in here at the 760, and I got out towards 764 right here, just a quick like minute trade, and my day was pretty much done. I made $1,375 on that, and then I have BBIG still, and then I also have Amazon from yesterday, AMZN. Amazon. So Amazon right here, I believe. So this was where the pivot was yesterday. I got it on the retest right here, and then it just grinded up and kind of going sideways, and now it's just going sideways as well. I believe that 35.50 because of the open interest on there, we may not get above that this week. We still have 2 more days, so we'll see. So, but if you come to the Amazon, that 35.50 is definitely a significant area. Right down here. If you guys have tickers or questions about anything about trading or anything, let me know. 35.50. So, um, so right here, 35.50. There's 4,000 contracts that are stacked up there, so we may not. They may not allow the Amazon to move above the 35.50 here this week. So that is going to be upwards resistance here in this area. We are still making higher lows, trying to grind our way up to that area. So I do have next week expiration, so I will just hold those if I have to until Monday, and then if it doesn't make the move Monday, then I'll just cut it. All right, cool. Yeah, because that's where. So the question was Zeke is sitting right here next to me. Is that open interest could act as a point of resistance on the chart, and so it does, right? Because that's where the market makers are selling that premium, right? So if they're selling that premium, they make money by the price expiring underneath that price point. So in this example of Amazon, the open interest is at that 35.50, so they make the most amount of money with it expiring underneath the 35.50. So that's going to act as a resistance because anytime that goes, the price actually goes up to the 35.50. Everyone that sold those 35.50 calls, they're going to try to keep it below that. Awesome, Riley. Absolutely, dude. It's nice to have fellow New Mexicans, bro. It's really, really freaking refreshing, dude. What's up? Yeah, it's counterintuitive for sure. So, so yeah, those are my positions that I have. As far as like other moves and things here today, guys, really wanted AMC to get to 50. Um, we're still looking at GSAT, and that's it, guys. Facebook, I'm keeping an eye on here, guys, as well. And then even when the market dipped right here, I don't know, I think it was some comments from Nancy Pelosi or something where it caused this dip. If you look at Amazon, it didn't quite dip as hard as everything else did. So like this was during 8:30. So down here, um, like in this area, oh, it bounced up and then eventually it came further down. But um, in that area, it was holding pretty well. So it was holding like right here, and then finally it gave it up. It looks like. But what's up, Mr. Nostradamus? What's up? What's up? All right. So here for the end of the day, you guys want to see this compression, this move here on the SPY upwards. And what I'll do is I'll even take a trade right here, just one contract, just to show you these SPXs for the expiration here today. Um, I'll take some 41, or excuse me, 45. I don't know what we have. It's not showing me the option chain. We could do that, spy, just as a spy contract. So if you're taking a look here on the spy contracts, dude, well, I think we're gonna get this ramp here into the close, and so what the hell is up on my option chain? Oh, did my internet go out too at some point or what? Um, there it goes. All right, there it goes. Now I could place orders. All right, 45.15s here on the SPX. I'll buy with just one of them right here, guys. It's $2.45. And so while we're on this live stream together, buy. So I can show you right here. All right. SPX. Yeah. Please don't buy it over here. I said don't buy it if you don't like agree 100% with it. So just the compression. So the compression play off of the VWAP here and the S1, and then we need it to stay above this 451. So, but we need some more volume to come into this. So we will kind of trade this here together, and then I forgot what else I was in. SPRT pushing up. Okay. Not necessarily. It would just I would just have to see like what the volume looked like. I don't see anything else. UPST was one that we were talking about here this morning as well. This was a trade that, oh my goodness, this is a crossover trade if I ever seen one. Um, so on the macro, we were playing this. If you guys follow me on Twitter, of the 116 ish area right here. So this is where I had originally called it in the room, and then we had earnings that gave us the assist right here. Got to 200. I took profit at 200, and then it continued to run another $76. So, and obviously it still has more. I believe we get to 300. It's just how we get to 300. So they had awesome earnings, blowout earnings, and then they also gave guidance and what have you. So, um, yeah, this is nice for any type of dip you're able to get into on this one. Geez. Cool. Any other questions or anything here, guys? I have these SPXs right here. We need some volume. Where is everyone at? It's already going to be 1:30. AMC is popping up right now, guys. Need a nap, dude. No, not at all. My girl stayed the night last night, and I wasn't expecting her. And and she has this thing, dude. Like 2:33 in the morning. It's like, wake up. Like every guy like says like they want to be woken up like that. Like the girl just bobbing up and down like in the sheets. Nah, bro, I'm freaking tired, dude. I wake up at like 3:30, 4 o'clock. So yeah, like she should set her alarm for when I wake up and be like, all right, like you're awake now, like. No other questions or anything, guys? Oh, dude, this. So I was playing Snow for that 280 break, bro, and my goal was for it to get to 300. But look at how choppy it got to fucking 300, bro. Now it's gonna start running here pretty quickly once it starts breaking like this top resistance around the 325. It'll get to 340 pretty quickly. So, but the plan was on point. The timing of it was absolutely freaking horrible. So, um, the breakout point, like I was saying, was this 275, 280 ish area, and I mean, it did everything it could not to do it quickly. So, but nevertheless, still good trade. It's if we could get upwards here to this 354, that would be a really good trade if you're able to be patient on it. But like I said, I was wanting like a momentum type thing. AMC on this BBIG. I want to see what it does in after hours. If it kind of does the same thing that it did yesterday. What did he say? He smell his fingers? Oh, that's how I was the other day, dude. I was like, what the hell? So still sideways on this BBIG right here, guys. Like I said, it's holding this like 1075, 1080 area, and it's getting pretty tight right here. So I wanted to make a decision which way it's gonna go. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Mm-hmm. All right, guys. Not much going on here for power. I still have this SPX. I'll update on Twitter what I do with it or what have you. I'm gonna go ahead and log off here. We will do Sunday Stockcast. Oh, let's announce the a giveaway winner, bro. We could do that. Fingers and toes crossed, everyone. All right, give me a second so I could get into it. Um, all right, drum roll, please. I don't know who this is, but as you guys can, so I picked the winner. It picks it for me automatically in the app thing. It's Jose Pena 323 at gmail.com. I hope you don't hate me for putting your email on this thing, but you can see right here. So Jose is the big winner. It says the probability of them winning was 2.67%. And so that's pretty freaking awesome, man. And then on top of that, so there was only 75 contestants altogether that actually entered into the contest, dude. So your chances of actually winning it was actually really good. Like, now there was like other entries you could go ahead and do as far as like following on Instagram and like Facebook and other things that you could do to get more entries and stuff like that. Hence why his chance of winning was a lot less and stuff. But it was so 2.67% chance he wins. I'll notify him via email and see if we could find him on see if we could find him also on Twitter as well. So all right. GME AMC partnership rumors. Now that match made in heaven's a plan rather than I don't know if that's really I don't know if that's really anything. Okay. Awesome guys. So I'll go ahead and notate or excuse me, not notate, but I'll go ahead and notify Jose that he won the new computer giveaway thing, and hopefully he could send us some pictures of him using it and whatnot. But congratulations, Jose, and I'll also notify on Twitter as well. All right. That's gonna be it for here today, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and log off, take a little bit of a break. Been running around all morning trading and stuff. And if you guys want to come hang out on Sunday, what I was gonna say is we do the Sunday stockcast. Get ready for the week. Give tickers to go ahead and trade. I didn't do it this last week because of the weird weekend. I'll do it on the 3-day weekends or whatever. So so yeah. So AMC got to 49. So see you for the stockcast on Sunday. All right, guys. You guys take it easy.